Hello, Torah community. It's Rav Natan here to share with you some words of Torah for this week's Parsha, Parshat Vayera. One of the things that comes up at a few different places in this Parsha is the word Yitzchak. When the angels come to Avram and Sarah's tent and they deliver the news that Sarah and Avram are going to have a child even at their old age. So Sarah laughs and Hashem says, "You laughed." And she says, "I didn't laugh." But she laughs. And the instruction is that the child should be called Yitzchak for that reason. And when Yitzchak is indeed born, that is indeed his name. And one of the questions that I have, and I think if you're reading this story and this naming very closely, it seems like an interesting aspect of the story to pick up on or to name a child. So many things. Think about the names that people have that refer to big ideas. You have a name, Amuna, like to believe in Hashem. Wow, what an amazing thing. Named Zion, wow, Zion, that's Israel, beautiful thing. Names that are big things, Liel, Hashem is mine. I mean, there's so many big names that refer to big ideas, and yet the word Yitzchak literally means laughter, and it refers to merely the reaction that Sarah and Avram in last week's Parsha had when they heard they were going to have a child. So what is it about Yitzchak? Why is laughter so important? I want to share a beautiful idea that I saw from Rav Shimshon Raphael Hirsch, who says that Sarah is laughing, but it's not laughing like comedy in the same way that you and I might, hear a joke from a friend. It's at the root of what it is that makes people laugh in the first place. You see, a lot of times when you laugh, it's because something's unexpected. Someone says something, you totally didn't expect that to happen, you laugh. And in many ways, Sarah and Avram's reaction of laughter to the news that they're going to have a child it's so unexpected. Really? Us at an old age can have a child? Yitzchak, we already had Yishmael, it didn't go so well. We're going to have a child? Really? You serious? So unexpected, so much in disbelief that they laugh. And in many ways, says Rav Hirsch, that's actually the story of Am Yisrael in general. And that's why it's important that their child is actually named Yitzchak, because Am Yisrael's existence is always in some ways laughable. It is impossible to understand how we as a nation are still around and the strength in which we live, both spiritually and physically, being in our land, and so many aspects. If you zoom out and look at Am Yisrael, the fact that we're here and we're surviving, we're strong, and we're growing in so many ways is an amazing thing. And it's so unexpected. And I personally am in disbelief at the very concept. And that's laughter. That's laughter. And that's the existence of Am Yisrael. And so that's why Yitzchak is indeed named Yitzchak, to always remember that the existence of Am Yisrael is something amazing and something miraculous. And I think right now, even, it's important to reflect on that, both how important Am Yisrael is to exist and also to be appreciative of our existence. I want to leave you with a question. The question is, think about something, either in your life or in the life of the Jewish people as a whole, that's a Yitzchak moment or a Yitzchak thing, something that seems miraculous and it's very hard to explain. And it's clear that Hashem is guiding it. So think of a moment in your personal life or the national life that's a Yitzchak moment. Okay, everyone have a Shabbat Shalom.